Education and the Ministry of Gender and Public Service. And Honorable Speaker, at one point this function was in the Ministry of Gender, then moved to Education. Now I'm told it is back to Gender, and it's uncertain. As I speak, I cannot speak with certainty where the funds currently reside. And therefore, Honorable Speaker, I will commit to get a statement, a joint statement by the Cabinet Secretary for Education and the Cabinet Secretary for Gender. First, to tell us, because we appropriated money, for all I can remember, in the last financial year we appropriated money for sanitary towels. In this financial year, you have also appropriated money for sanitary towels. So we must know from the last financial year, what did that money do if it is indeed true that there are no sanitary towels in our schools? In this financial year, have they procured? Have they delivered? And what are they doing to make sure that that last mile delivery to the girls happens and in due course? So I will commit, Honorable Speaker, hopefully by Tuesday next week to give a statement to the House. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
It is well directed. Note from my direction is not Committee of Health.